Hello guys, welcome to Budget Trend. My name is Temi Samuel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to become a Minipay ambassador. So if you are just joining us for the first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, drop your opinion in the comment section, and you can do more by sharing this video to your friends and family. These are the only ways you can help me to grow this channel. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to become an ambassador for Minipay, you need an account. So you will need a Minipay account, and if you don't have a Minipay account, all you have to do is just go to your Google Play Store, as I will be showing you on my screen. Go to your Google Play Store and download the Minipay app. Mine is already downloaded on my phone. So to download the Minipay app, just click on the search bar and type Minipay, and it will bring it out for you just like this. So if you are on iPhone as well, you can as well log into your Apple Store to download the Minipay app. So once you download the Minipay app, you will need an email address, a valid email address, and a working phone number to register an account. So that is all that is needed. That is what is needed. A valid email address and a working phone number. And you will have to enter your name as well. Meanwhile, you will need to get a code to the phone number. So with that being said, let's go to the next step. Now, the next step is that I will talk about the requirement to become a Minipay ambassador. So what are the requirements? So here are the requirements to become a Minipay ambassador. You must be at least 18 years, as you are seeing on your screen. You must be at least 18 years to participate in the ambassador program. The second one is that the Minipay Ambassador program is only for people living in eligible countries in which the Minipay non-custodial crypto wallet are currently available and operating. That means you must be in eligible country. Minipay is currently working in over 60 countries around the world. So you must be in one of these countries to be eligible for the ambassador program. And the last one is you will also need a smartphone, the Minipay wallet, which is the account, stable internet connection. Are you getting it now? So you will also need this number 3 to become eligible for the Minipay ambassador program. So you have to know that one account per person is encouraged by Minipay, which means you cannot open an account with same name. You cannot open two accounts with same name. You cannot open two accounts with same phone number, and you cannot open two accounts with same email address. So if you want to have a second account, make sure you use different name, different phone number, and different email address. So without being said, let's move to the eligible country and see some eligible countries where Minipay operate. So in Africa, Minipay operates in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, and all of that. In Europe, Minipay operates in 25 countries, including the UK, Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, all of that. In Africa, Minipay operates in 22 countries. So in America, it operates in 4, including Brazil, Canada, Colombia, United States. In Oceania, it operates in Australia and New Zealand. Are you getting the point now? So I will leave a link in the in the description of this video that will take you to this article so that you can get the full insight about becoming a Minipay ambassador. So this is the article that talks about the comprehensive details. It compiles the comprehensive details about on how to become a Minipay ambassador. So now let's talk about the earnings, the Minipay ambassador earnings. So as an ambassador for Minipay, you will earn 0.1 CUSD. CUSD means Celo USD. This cryptocurrency is pegged to dollar. It's 1:1 to dollar. Are you getting the point? So it's pegged to dollar. So upon onboarding, like if the user just sign up using your ambassador link, you will get 0.1 CUSD instantly. Now, if the user adds the person you refer, add cash up to $2 to $4.99, you will get 0.01 CUSD per every funding the referrer is adding to his account. For every cash the referrer is adding to his or her account, if the cash is up to $2 and four is between 2 and $4.99, you will get 0.1 CUSD. Now if the funding is above $5, is between $5 and 9.99, you will get 0.2 CUSD. And if the funding is above $10, you will get 0.3 CUSD. So this reward, this hard cash reward, is available till further notice. Let me just say further notice, because the more your referral keep adding cash, the more you keep earning. Do you understand? So it's available till when Minipay decide to stop. But for now, the more they add cash to their account, the more you earn reward on each cash added to their account. So that is it. Now we will move to how to apply for the Minipay Ambassador. In this step, I will show you how to do that in the app. So let's log into my Minipay app. This is my Minipay app. As you can see, this is my Minipay app. So if you want to become an ambassador with Minipay, like I said, you have to download the Minipay app, register an account with your email address and your phone number. So after the account registration, open the app, and once you open the app, you will be given 0.1 USD. That is if you register through an invite link. So I will be dropping my invite link, my ambassador link, in the description of this video as well. So if you want to join for the first time, just join through the link so that you can get this referral bonus. So once you log into your Minipay account, just click on this profile icon right here. So once you click on it, now scroll down and click on invite friend. So once you click on invite friend, you will see the rules and how the ambassador link works. The first one says you will have minimum of $2 to earn. That is, you must add $2 to your account, your Minipay account, to start earning as an ambassador, which means you must use the account first. So add minimum of $2 to the account. So once you add minimum of $2 to the account, now you can copy your ambassador link right here, as you can see. Then you can distribute it to your friend and your family. So if they join through this link, you will earn reward when they sign up, and when they keep adding money to their account, every time they keep adding money to their account. So as you can see here, invite sign up. Your friends sign up using your link, you earn 0.1 USD. Sorry, your friends sign up using your link, you earn 0.1 USD, and your friend earn 0.1 USD as well. So the second one says invite cash, add cash. Once your friends add at least $2 to their wallet, you earn up to 0.1 USD, and your friend can earn up to 0.1 USD as well, as I have explained in the article. In the article here, if your referrer add between $2 to $5, you will get 0.1 USD. But if it adds between $5 to $10, you will get 0.2 USD. And if it add above $10, you will get 0.3 USD. So that is it about becoming an ambassador for Minipay. I will leave all the link you need in the description of this video. Make sure you go to the description to check them out. If you want to sign up, I will leave my referral link, my ambassador link there. So if you want to check the full details of this video, the written details, it is also in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, drop your opinion in the comment section, and share this video to your friends and family. My name is Temi Samuel. Bye for now.